Hello, meet again with me Koralan. I will introduce to you about the crypto project called Hawk Network. For more details, I will discuss it below. What is Hawk Network? Hawk Network is the world's foremost spread smart Internet of Things, combining advantage computing and blockchain technologies to provide businesses with a new creation of IoT technology infrastructure, using reduced access prices, and more efficient accessibility. Hawk Network is based on smart hardware, uses large data engineering as the beginning point, balances generation and environmental elements with blockchain dispersed books, and ultimately recognizes the objective of International Web of Things. By altering the new financial model, the Hawk Network unites digital ID and multiple encryption technologies to empower wise terminals, IoT companies, and consumers to move unimpeded from the Hawk Network system, ensuring advantage and data protection. Backed the biggest company in the world, UB.GROUP is a large-scale web of things, along with a wise travel multinational firm with 30 million consumers, also functions in dozens of cities across the world. UB.GROUP has powerful R&D capacities in smart hardware, web of things, and blockchain. Kakao is a Korean societal giant with 50 million consumers. Koralan is Kakao's blockchain system, which comprises the world's greatest blockchain technology and company team. UB.GROUP and Kakao are extremely optimistic regarding the evolution of the next generation of Web of Things, particularly the combo of edge computing technologies, 5G engineering and blockchain technology. They think the next generation will deliver the international Internet of Things into some brand new level that is different. How can blockchain unite with the Internet of Things? The IoT and blockchain are very intricate. To confront countless devices using different computing ability, it's required to fix the issues of interoperability, safety, privacy, and benefits of heterogeneous systems. To resolve these issues, Hawk Network implements a three-step strategy as below. A POS consensus algorithm. It's more fitting for the distributed Internet of Things. A POS was made to fix the drawbacks of conventional DPoS, delegated proof of stake, consensus mechanism. By way of instance, the agent nodes of block creation and DPoS mechanics are comparatively fixed, which is hard to satisfy the requirements of complex blockchain structure on the Web of Things. The development of a POS would be to indicate a random turning mechanism of proxy rights and interests consensus. Subchain structure to achieve cross-chain interoperability. Due to unique situations and requirements, so as to achieve communication between heterogeneous systems, Hawk Network doesn't embrace a frequent chain related to all nodes, but enables heterogeneous devices to create an internal system, and eventually connect to a large backbone system to accomplish connection with other networks. Hawk Network adopts chain-in-chain structure to fix the interconnection issue of heterogeneous networks. There's a single principal series, and there are several distinct subchains on the primary chain. Throughout the chain-in-chain strategy, the subchains of distinct situations serve various needs. By way of instance, subchains working on devices with feeble storage may use Mimble-like Wimble structure to decrease storage. Subchains focusing on payment situations may not have to run intelligent contracts. These various chains will need to transmit electronic assets and conditions. Cross-chain protocols can reach interoperability between chains. Obviously, in addition, it must consider the effect on cross-chain functionality and safety consequences. Trusted computing environment empowers the Internet of Things. Hawk Network has enhanced the technologies of IoT to ensure it is mobile, trustworthy, and service big anonymous collections. Afterward, on the assumption of based on a reliable computing environment, cryptographic applications will be utilized to apply lightweight privacy protection smart contracts. Therefore, the IoT could be enabled with blockchain and edge computing technologies. When the technology is older and the issues of functionality, interoperability, price, privacy, safety, and so forth are resolved, trusted IoT comes with a higher likelihood of getting the second trigger point of their blockchain. For that reason, it can foster the evolution of this IoT, create the IoT to finally turn into the mainstream, and finally bring more suitable, secure, and credible solutions to individuals through technologies and incentive mechanism. Feature of Hawk Network. Edge computing is an intelligent computing model in which part of the computing power is shared by terminal devices in Hawk Network, After the data is calculated by the many nodes devices, the data is uploaded to the distributed database to form big data. The terminal smart device completes the edge calculation, the data is uplinked, and the blockchain becomes the repeater and connector of the data. Multi-level embedded smart contract that supports programmable contract development and provides standardized contract templates and interfaces. Interested node decentralized investment data collection terminal to prevent source data entry from being tampered with. Blockchain network after edge computing by distributed intelligent terminal. Blockchain technology used to safe user assets and data. In blockchain, the idea of applying blockchain technology to the field of Internet of Things has existed for some time. In fact, blockchain technology seems to be an appropriate solution to at least three aspects: big data management, security and transparency, and the convenience of service exchange between interconnected smart devices. Large data and record preservation. IT is essentially linked to large data. With the increasing number of IT units installed, the consumption habits and behavior patterns data collected in the Internet of Things have multiplied. How to deal with this huge data has become a problem that must be solved. In this case, some people think that there is no alternative option, only the use of blockchain technology. Blockchain technology can not only provide an appropriate solution for recording data of all IT units, but also ensure that once the data is recorded, it cannot be changed again. Security. Blockchain technology can be further used to solve security and identity problems related to IT. One of the biggest challenges in securing the Internet of Things is identity. More specifically, how to ensure millions or billions of smart devices connect and communicate safely with each other, is the goal of the research on Hawk Network. Market analysis of shared scooters. According to market research firm Grandview Research, the global electric scooter market was valued at $14.8 billion in 2015. It is expected that the increase in greenhouse and carbon emissions, and the increase in environmental awareness, will help to adopt electric scooters for the next 8 years. The demand for electric scooters has led to a fundamental shift in the existing vehicle landscape in the areas of design, development, power distribution, and power infrastructure. The role of governments in India, China, and Japan in developing vehicle charging station standards and regulations is expected to have a positive impact on regional growth. Basic information: token name, Hawk Network, token symbol, Hawk, soft cap. $5 million, hard cap. $35 million, token supply. 20 billion Hawk, distribution of Hawk figures, pawn or. 49%. Foundation. 15%, team. 13%, wheel of a public offer. 10%, ecological stimulation. 10%, private placement round. 2%, seed rotation. 1%. Roadmap October 2019, Start IO Global Meetup. The first step is online. The first equipment started mining. Top exchanges start trading Ha. If you want to know more about the Hawk Network project, you can visit the link below. Enough for my writing this time, which only discusses some important points of this project. For more information, please visit the link below description. Thank you for watching.